just got this. It's coming in via Google, and we're watching it for the first time. We're going to plug in the coordinates and go to Greenland. This is coming in from Jaroslaw Miaskiewicz. I'm hoping I'm saying his name right, but he discovered something that he says that looks to be some kind of huge flying saucer ditched on the ground. We're looking at it right now, and I got it great. This is the first time I think the world is watching it. We got to thank Jaroslaw for sharing this incredible discovery. This is quite incredible. Apparently, he's saying that it could be partially scrubbed by Google, but you can still see it. This is just off the Greenland, across from Spitsbergen National Park. What's going on in Greenland right now? We are sharing this. We're going to be supplying the coordinates. Right now, we're going to be just surveying the area. I don't see anything within anything close to this that looks exactly like this flying saucer. Definitely something unusual captured in Greenland by Google, and it does seem to me that after looking at it a little bit more, it seems that Google is trying to scrub the image. You got to share this with your friends before Google actually takes it down, because there's really no explanation for it other than if it's natural, but it doesn't seem natural to me. I gotta ask you and get your comments from around the world, friends. Is this natural? Well, I got Brent here, and he's looking at it with me right now. We're both kind of in awe right now. This is amazing.
Yes, strange indeed. We're looking at this, and like you said, it doesn't match anything in its vicinity. We're pulling it back, and we're probably a couple thousand feet above the image right here, and it stands out like a sore thumb. This thing, it's quite large. I wonder how long it's been there, if it is indeed a UFO, a disc that's been there for who knows how long. Or could it be just a natural formation of ice? What's with the Google trying to cut it off? Did they miss a mark and reveal something that they shouldn't have?
Yeah, the reason why we are just sharing this right now on Third Phase Moon is this came in to us about 5 minutes ago. So right now we're just leaving our opinions below, and I want to get your opinions of what we have just come across. Did we stumble across some kind of ancient disc, a flying saucer buried beneath the glaciers over there in Greenland, and now that the snow's kind of melting, it's revealing something there? It definitely seems like this could be the case.
Yeah, you just look at it and it really just pops out. It stands out, and look at the symmetry of this. It's really quite solid, and again, it just doesn't match the terrain of anything around here. And this thing is huge. It's the size of a mountain.
Yeah, we're trying to basically get an estimate on the size, and we're doing this in real time. If anybody wants to help us out on that to get the exact measurements, but my guess right here is that this thing is 10 times bigger, if not maybe 50 times bigger than your regular football stadium. And that's what it almost looks like. It does look like a building there. Whether this is a building that is something that could fly off into outer space, or has it been constructed on the ground, I'm not exactly sure, but this thing is absolutely huge. I would say at least maybe a mile, 2 miles.
We need to keep an eye on this structure right here, and maybe in the future Google will release more imagery, and over the years the ice might even melt more, and it might reveal more of its original structure, because this doesn't look like it could be plateaued on a mountain. It seems like it's its own base.
A massive superdome in Greenland discovered. We got to share this. You guys from around the world got to share this with your friends. Get the word out. Something huge has been discovered in Greenland. And what is going on in this park? I'm sure that the military is deeming this place a natural reserve, so I'm sure it isn't very accessible to get up close to it. But if anybody lives in the region could get up close to this and contact Third Phase of Moon and let us know what exactly we're looking at, we sure would appreciate it, because right now we are baffled.
You almost need a hydrologist to take a look at this. The crevices inside mountains, this thing is holding itself in a formation that really doesn't match a terrain of a mountain. It's really something out of this world as far as I'm concerned.
I would have to imagine, you're right, Brett, natural erosion does not look like this. This is not natural. This is something that was built or covered up by Google. Imagine, with more ice melting away, what else can be discovered? It's endless, the possibilities.
Or perhaps we're looking at the cap of a dome that's not even ice. It just revealed its top surface, and maybe it's not much farther beneath that. It's probably very close to the surface on what we're looking at. This thing is a shield.
Well, we know Google Earth is releasing this right now, and Google Earth has been known to scrub these images. Definitely, we have evidence of this. So right now, these are the Google coordinates off of Greenland right now. I'm just stunned. I'm taken aback because this thing does not look natural. It almost resembles the Malibu underwater base, possibly discovered over there underneath the Pacific Ocean. Now above and on top of Greenland, this thing just kind of sits there like a sore thumb. It doesn't look normal. It does not look like it is natural. This is possibly something constructed or landed there or built there. Whatever it is, it's very strange. Brent, thanks for your comments here, and thank you everybody for joining us right here at Third Phase of Moon. It's been my pleasure sharing to you this incredible discovery. Keep your eyes on the skies. We are not alone.
By popular demand, Paul Barrett is back with his third album, Third Phase of Moon, The Strangest Things. 12 brand new tracks heard by millions on your favorite channel, Third Phase of Moon. Available on iTunes, Amazon, and music streaming services. Paul Barrett's Third Phase of Moon, The Strangest Things. Available right now. Links are below. Keep your eyes on the skies. We're not alone.